Hi everyone, I am Chef Claudette Zepeda and I am here in the Messermeister kitchen and I'm going to show you guys how to do a really delicious peach upside down cake. We're just going to cream the brown sugar and butter. We're going to do our eggs one at a time. 2 pinches of salt. We're going to zest some orange, a little bit of nutmeg in, a pinch of cinnamon. We're going to add our flour in. Then we have our ricotta. We're just going to fold that in. Plural spoonfuls of butter, brown sugar. Put your peach pieces all over it. Spoon this over. It's gonna go in the oven, 350 degrees, about 30 minutes. Oh, she looked cute. See all that sauce. Have a little bit of balsamic vinegar with honey, candied ginger, pinch of salt, toasted slivered almonds, a little TLC, and you have an amazing peach upside down cake.